Hey there, and welcome to Money Nuggets. I'm Christian, and I'm here to help you make better financial decisions through lessons from the best books on how to build long-term wealth. Today, I'm reviewing the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Keep watching to learn what you need to know about the key lessons from the book and why it is worth it. Rich Dad Poor Dad was first published in 1997 and has taken the world by storm, selling over 40 million copies in 51 languages. Kiyosaki's storytelling style is not just informative but engaging, making it an excellent choice for readers of all levels. In the book, Kiyosaki introduces us to two influential figures in his life. His biological father, a highly educated but financially struggling man, and his best friend's dad, a successful entrepreneur. These two fathers represent contrasting financial philosophies, which Kiyosaki brilliantly dissects. Kiyosaki's key lesson is that it's not about how much you make, but how you manage it. He introduces the concept of assets and liabilities. Assets are the things that put money in your pocket, like investments or real estate, while liabilities are the things that drain your finances, like that fancy car you can barely afford. One of the book's central messages is that our traditional education system teaches us to be employees, but it doesn't equip us to be savvy business owners or investors. The key to financial freedom, according to Kiyosaki, is learning to make your money work for you instead of working for it. To succeed in the financial game, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of having a strong financial education. He encourages everyone to grasp the basics of accounting, investing, and real estate. After all, knowledge is power. Rich Dad Poor Dad reminds us that managing money wisely isn't just about earning more, it's about making the right choices. Rich people focus on building assets, while poor people often get caught up in liabilities. It's not about how much you earn, but how you play the financial game. Before I share my final thoughts, I want to remind you that you can find a link to the book I reviewed in the description below. There's also a 30-day free trial on Amazon Audible that lets you get Rich Dad Poor Dad for free. That's a great way to start learning valuable financial education as soon as today. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a game changer. It motivates you to think differently about money and empowers you to take control of your financial future. But remember, while the book offers invaluable insights, some of its advice is controversial and should be approached with caution. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe now and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest personal finance book reviews. I'm always adding new content to help you learn about the best guides on wealth building, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Have a great day.